Welcome to our channel. If your Facebook app keeps crashing, follow these proven troubleshooting steps to fix the error and restore stable functionality. Step 1. Force stop the Facebook app. Go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, and tap Force Stop to completely close the application. Step 2. Clear Facebook app cache. In the same menu, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files causing crashes. Step 3. Check for app updates. Open your App Store and search for Facebook to install any available updates. Step 4. Restart your device. Hold the power button and select Restart to refresh your system memory. Step 5. Check available storage space. Facebook needs adequate space to function. Free up at least 500 megabytes of storage. Step 6. Uninstall recent apps that might conflict with Facebook. Recently installed apps can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Step 7. Reset app preferences. Go to Settings, Apps, Menu, Reset app preferences to restore default settings. Step 8. Uninstall and reinstall Facebook. Delete the app completely, restart your device, then download a fresh copy. Step 9. Try Facebook Lite as an alternative. This lighter version often works when the main app has issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.